Hello golf enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special in store for you. If you're serious about improving your short game and reducing strokes on the course, you're in the right place. We're about to unveil the Lazrus Premium Forged Golf Wedge Set, a game changer in the world of golf wedges. Stick around to discover why this set is considered the best in the market. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, what sets the Lazrus Premium Forged Golf Wedge Set apart from the competition? Well, it's all about quality and affordability. These wedges are forged with a milled face, just like the ones used by top professional golfers. But here's the kicker: they come at a fraction of the price. The Lazrus Wedge Set offers multiple options, including various loft degrees, right and left-handed orientations, and stylish colors. Whether you're a beginner, weekend warrior, or a scratch golfer, there's a Lazrus wedge tailored for your game. Now, let's talk about performance. These wedges feature a micro-milled face, which translates to incredible spin, control, and consistency. Whether you're hitting from the fairway, fringe, or rough, you'll experience an unmatched level of precision with each swing. To give you a taste of what these wedges can do, we've taken them out on the course for a test drive. Watch as we showcase their spin, accuracy, and how they can help you approach the greens with confidence. While the Lazrus Wedge Set excels in performance, what about durability? We'll be honest, this is where things get interesting. We've put these clubs to the test, and we'll reveal how they held up. Additionally, Lazrus offers a 1-year warranty. And we've had personal experience with their exceptional customer service. Stick around to hear about our interaction with them. But don't just take our word for it. We've scoured the internet for real user reviews to provide you with a well-rounded perspective. Hear what other golfers have to say about their Lazrus Wedge Set experience. In summary, the Lazrus Premium Forged Golf Wedge Set is a game-changing addition to your golf bag. With its top-tier performance, affordability, and unbeatable customer service, it's no wonder it's considered the best wedge set on the market. If you're ready to take your short game to the next level and shave strokes off your scorecard, head over to the link in the video description to get your hands on the Lazrus Wedge Set today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow golfers, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Until next time, keep swinging and improving your game.